This is the first episode of Skill Start, and this one's all about spinning a basketball on my finger for 30 seconds or more. I noticed right away that when I put the ball in my hand, I couldn't steady it and it was really unbalanced, even if I spun it really fast. So that was the first time that it actually kept spinning after I touched it with my hand. That was pretty cool. Okay, so I think I made a little breakthrough. I noticed that when I was spinning the ball, I would spin it, and every time I spun with my left hand, my right hand would move just a little bit, and that would throw it off balance. So what I did was I focused on spinning while keeping my finger absolutely still, and that was the first time where I actually continued spinning it for a good couple seconds after I spun it with my hand. Day number 4, and I'm gonna try to get above 5 seconds today. That's pretty good. That had to be 10 seconds. I really hope that was 10 seconds. Oh, what's that?
Yeah, 22.
Go. How much was that?
29.
29, no! That's 29. It'd be nice to get to like 35 or something.
Oh, 29!
29? For the second time?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Done.
What was it?
31.
31?
Yep.
Yes! Oh, that is awesome. And so they don't look at you, but have you come here. Awesome. So this is the ball that I used in the beginning that I found wasn't grippy enough, so I stopped using it. I'm gonna see if I can use it now and still hit that 30-second mark. Oh yeah. Might be even easier than the other one. So I just got to 30 seconds yesterday, and I'm gonna try to go for a minute today. I have my stopwatch here and my hat because my hair keeps on falling on my face. See that? I just got over a minute. That is crazy. Holy cow. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you watching this video, the first episode of Skill Start where I spin a basketball on my finger for 30 seconds. If you want to see more content like this and you got value out of it, please consider liking and subscribing down below for more videos like these. Take care for now. Stay practical. See you guys later.
Yeah, your heart is a sun and it shines as it opens.
Where your heart is the sun and it shines